Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. I am Navaj. In today's video, we are not going to talk about any basic Linux command, but we are going one level deeper into those commands who can save your time, reduce manual work, and make you look like the pro of your team. We will learn how to use these commands with a real production examples. So let's start. We are on our Linux machine. So first we will take example of the first command, difference and patch. So let's start. Let's say if you have two configuration files and you need to find what exactly changes or difference between them. So you can simply run diff app old conf and app new conf. Then you will get the difference between those files. Port is equal to 8080 from the first file and port is equal to 9090, it's from the second file. So these are the changes in between these two files. As like that, there is also same, there is a changes shown in below that log level is equal to info is from app old conf and log level is equal to debug is from app new conf. So now imagine you want to apply this same changes from the old files. So let's save these changes into the new file changes.patch. Okay. Now imagine you want to apply this same changes on new file. You don't need to manually edit it again. Just run patch app old from the changes. Now your old file is now updated exactly like the new one. It's super useful when you want to replicate config changes in production. So you can check that your app old conf and your app new conf. So you guys can see your old file is now updated exactly like the new one. Next, in real production environment, we often need to delete old logs or temp files. Let's say we want to delete files older than 1 year inside our log directory. Here we have our log directory. So if we want to delete files older than 1 year inside our logs directory, we have to run find /temp. This is the path. Okay, this is the absolute path. After that, we have to provide the type of file. It's regular file. After that, -yum time. Yum is stand for modified. So it's a modified time. Modified time is before 365 days. So if we have to find this file, we have to run this command. After that, we can get that file. If we have to remove them, so want to work like a pro, you have to run, you have to get this file into the, you have to execute them and run rm-v and then close the braces. By doing this, you can delete that log files in just one click. You can guys see here that these files are removed from our logs folder. So if you have to find it again, now you can see there is no file present which is modified before 365 days. So this command search file older than 365 days and delete them one by one. You can even schedule this command in the cron job for regular cleanup. Third command is about locate and xargs. Now sometimes you already know the file pattern but don't know the location of files. Like in production, we store files older than 1 year. So instead of manually finding and deleting them, you can combine locate and xargs command, and you can find and delete in one command. So I will show you how can we do that. Like locate example -2024, you can locate this kind of files, and just we will locate. So there is a file example-2024. If we have to delete this file, so instead of going to that path, I can delete from here example 2024 xargs rem hyphen v. So you can see guys, this file is deleted. If we again locate it, first we have to update the db of locate command. So I will update it first. After that I will locate it again, but this file is removed from our machine or server, we can say. So by using this command, you can find them and delete them in single command. So in our next command, we will learn how to read the file with their line number. So if we have to read the file or we have to get the line numbers, we have to open that file in VI or VIM editor. So instead of doing that, you can just run cat -n and the file name. Like I will run httpd.conf file. So I will get the number in front of file. I will get the number in front of the lines. So if I got error on any line, so directly I can check by using this command on which line I am getting the error. It's super useful when debugging configs or reading scripts. No need to open an editor. Our next command, in our next command, we will find the directories which are taking too much space. So how can we find out that? du-csh star for that all directories or files which are present in this directory. I am sorting them. So we can see that test data is taking the high space in my disk. So we can find them and can check that why it's consuming the high space, and then we can remove that unwanted data from this directory. So in production, this command helps a lot when you are dealing with a disk full issue and need to find the culprit fast. And that is 5 smart Linux commands that every admin should know. These are not random, they are the ones who actually use daily in real server environments. If you found even one command useful, make sure to drop a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Linux videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.